One thing that I often think about when it comes to solving the climate change problem is the stratospheric ozone hole problem. These are two completely different topics, but what's similar about them is that they're two major global environmental catastrophes. And with the ozone hole, we solved it. We solved it on the international scale, which is what was required to solve that problem. That problem was solved by my grandparents and my parents. And that too was something that was going to benefit future generations. And they did it. Right now we're experiencing the worst of the ozone holes that we're going to experience. And from here on out, it's going to get better. And by 2040, 2050, we're going to be back to normal levels of ozone in the stratosphere. And so my grandchildren and my great-grandchildren will enjoy the benefits of what my parents and my grandparents did in solving that major environmental catastrophe. It's been done before. There are similarities and there are differences, and those differences make the climate change problem a little bit harder to solve because it's related to our energy supply, which is really fundamental to everything that we do. But it has been done before and it can be done again, and it's very important. And when I think about what my parents and my grandparents did to solve the ozone problem, of course they weren't my grandparents and my parents, but that generation, it gives me hope for the future. I know that things will only get better as far as the ozone hole problem goes for future generations. And that, as a parent, gives me hope for the future. And I would like to have similar hope for the future when it comes to climate change.